Triple T. Today's video is being sponsored by none other than BF Design Solution. If you got a design that you want to put on some type of product like a shirt, a hat, a hoodie, or if you have some marketing ideas that you want help with, hit up BF Design Solutions and they're the team to help you. Trust me, they're the ones who made these nice looking t-shirts that I'm wearing. And if you want to buy one, look down in the description. You'll be able to find BF Design Solutions email, plus it'll have all the instructions on how to get one of these t-shirts. Basically, just email it to 2 emails down there. You have a Gmail and a Hotmail. Make sure you put down your name, your address, and how many you want. It only comes in 2 sizes right now, large and extra large. And then there's a PayPal account where you can actually pay for the shirts. $25 for the shirt, $5 for shipping. And if you were a T1 member, you get 10% off. T2 members get 15% off. And T3 members get 20% off. The price of the shirt, not the shipping. So if you want one of these nice looking merches, t-shirts, and they fit real comfortable and they look real sharp, if you want to support the channel, hit it up, and I'll be more than happy to mail it to you. If not, it's all good, because we're going to keep on rocking. Enjoy the video. What up, Triple T? This is Tim. I'm back again with another Triple T reaction. So if you're new to the channel, go hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you know whenever we do a video over here on Triple T, because remember, this is not my channel, this is your channel, and I'm going to tell you that every single day. And please watch this video all the way through, like and share, so we can get the algorithm built up to make the channel grow. Alright, Triple T, you know the deal. Sit back, relax, strap your boots on, and enjoy the ride. Because today we're going to be jumping up and reacting to none other than EZ Mil Freeze. Now, this is more of a review, not a reaction. I've already did the reaction on it before on the live stream with me and my brother Big D from Tennessee. But I want to make an actual one for the channel itself. So, EZ Mil, my guy, you're up to the plate again with Freeze. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm talking to you, Freeze. Give it up, jeez. That's enough, breathe. Little bit of sleeves. You're in my streets, pulling up my trees. You got no steez. Run along, bitch, leave. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Freeze. Give it up, jeez. That's enough, breathe. Little bit of sleeves. You're in my streets, pulling up my trees. You got no steez. Run along, bitch, leave. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is EZ Mil. I'm fairly new to the game, but I came to eat and kill. Hope you don't think I'm insane, cause man, I'm pretty chill. So let me drink this propane and down these sleeping pills. Yeah, intoxication rules this hypocritic nation. What's a true helping agent? Then it's me.
Ooh, boy, easy. Slow it down, my guy. Slow it down. You can't come at him like that. Yo, man, I love this song. This song right here is dope as hell. I noticed this song is only like, this song's been out for like 7 months, but I noticed a lot of people's been reacting to it in the last 2 weeks. Hey, he's the hottest thing on the internet right now. He's popping. Like I said, me and Big D did a live stream on him a couple nights ago. And hey, let me just say I appreciate everybody that came up in that live stream. We hit over 9,000 views on that thing. Y'all were dope as hell. EZ Mil's got a big fan base, and they love him. And whenever they see EZ Mil video, man, they go show it some love. So I greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate y'all showing my boy Big D, Mikey D615, the love that he's been doing on EZ Mil's reaction as well. I love this beat. I love the flow. I love the word cadence. This kid is smooth as ice. He is slow as smooth and smooth as fast. Man, he is smooth. You cannot hate this kid. You cannot hate his music. You can hate this reaction or review, but you can't hate this song. This song is legit. Come on, Easy. Keep talking your stuff. Let's get it.
Yeah, this got us playing, got us wasting our lives on superficial shit. Kinda like, I know I still don't got the budget for the goofy videos where the booties are all shaking from these stupid little hoes. I've been trying to send a message to a cupid on the low, praying please give me a baby that can truly be my own. Yeah, scrolling through the ways that the industry's trying to soak the subconscious orchestration, then they shove it down your throat. Cultural manipulations, how they running through the globe, and they aim at all the branded motherfuckers, and you know that it's you. Freeze, give it up, jeez, that's enough, breathe. Little bit of sleeves, you're in my streets, pulling up my trees. You got no steez, run along, bitch, leave. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Freeze, give it up, jeez, that's enough, breathe. Little bit of sleeves, you're in my streets, pulling up my trees. You got no steez, run along, bitch, leave. Yeah, I'm talking about swiveling through my blind phase and crippling new as I change. The sickening news, the rhymes lame, they picky and true, so I hate. I hate the miniature vision you have for your lives, like you don't have any pride, would you just open your eyes? There's a whole plethora of music to choose, but I guess the masses fuck with the artists, loosen the screws, only scratching the surface that's brought through by YouTube and news. Scorch.
Well, look, I love it when anybody takes a shot at Tekashi 6ix9ine. He's a snitch. Can't stand him. Easy Mill, you the G, man. You the guy. You the man for daggone calling him out, and you should. Every artist should. Every chance they get, take a shot at him, because he deserves it. Man, like I said, you can hate this reaction, but you can't hate this daggone song. This kid is legit. And he is stupid ill. Smooth as ice. Man, let's get it.
Fire in the furnace of the youth who use it and lose the portion of their cerebellum that prevents extortion of wanting inhalants influenced by foreign public figure peasants who think they are soaring like they're in the heavens. Morbidly forming a horde, more stories, scoring the hordes and the lore of torn glory, ignoring the hordes to thwart my cords, pouring florid and born you hordes, I'm sorry. But apologies don't mean shit anymore than ever. It's a better to metal. Living through my hustle and my bustle, turning every single speck of my struggle into a definite lyrical muscle. I would never be the kind of man that abandons my family because I feel sad. I get no reply. I hope everything will end the bad for you and the.
Ooh, hold up. Ooh, boy, I have to get you hot up in this joint. Good Lord. Boy, he spit so daggone fast and so hard. Oh, my God. Boy, make me sweating. Easy. Slow it down, my guy. Slow it down. You're going to give an old man like me a heart attack. Come on, my guy. You can't do that. Man. I'm telling you, man, this kid is sick. Ooh, in a good way. Let's get it.
Okay, commit suicide. I ain't fucking with you. I
don't vibe with selfish motherfuckers.
That's enough.
I was raised by family. We had differences, but those differences don't never make us quit being family. This is to all of you fake motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Freeze, give it up, please. That's enough. Breathe. Little bit of sleeves. You're in my streets, pulling up my trees. You got no steez, bitch. I ain't never fucking with you.
Man, that was cold. I ain't gonna lie, that was cold. Easy, you killed it. You killed it in the reaction the other night, and you killed it on this review. As always, you the man. Hey, look, if you have not checked this guy out, go check him out. Hit him up. This kid is super dope. He's super real. I love everything about this kid. He's got a great flow, great music, great vibes, and he's a daggone vet. Can't hate that. So my hat off to you. Salute to you, Easy. You the GOAT, man. You the GOAT of this. You are coming up in this rap game. You're going to be one of the greatest when it's all said and done. All right, Triple T, put a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the song. Let me know what you think about this reaction. And make sure you like and share these videos and watch it all the way through. All right, Triple T, you know the deal. Be kind to yourself, love your family, love your neighbors, to include your enemies. Do unto others as you wish them to do unto you. And as always, God bless you. And God bless America. Until next time, Triple T, this is Tim with Triple T Reaction /review. Have a great night.